The 2021 BMW M340i comes with a 3.0-liter turbo inline-six engine that churns out 382 horsepower. This punchy engine can complete the 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.4 seconds. It shares its underpinnings with a standard 3 Series sedan, but its specs differ. Android Auto is now a standard offering in BMW's iDrive 7 system. The M340i gets a blacked-out interior, giving a sporty vibe. The BMW M340i has its work cut out with competitors, like the Mercedes-AMG C43, the Audi S4, and Infiniti Q50 Red Sport 400. BMW has a reputation for building good quality cars with sophisticated design and decent reliability. With its strong chassis, safety features, and a perfectly built powertrain, the M340i carries with itself a quantifiable amount of assurance. Regarded as the best in its class, the BMW M340i is ready to set the bar higher. A number of friendly warranty packages make the M340i even more appealing. Complimentary maintenance services offered for a period of 3 years or 36,000 miles, while corrosion warranty is valid for a period of 12 years and unlimited miles, which makes the package look more interesting, and only Jaguar has been able to give it a tough competition so far. It comes with 8-speed automatic, while both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations are available. Include tilt and telescopic multifunction steering wheel, aluminum accents on dash and door trim, 10.25-inch infotainment screen, 8-speaker sound system, leatherette upholstery, 14-way power front seats, 12.3-inch instrument cluster, interior ambient lighting. BMW globally known for its top-notch driver assist systems. There is a long list of safety features that are offered, but most of them are provided in packages. Blind spot monitor, frontal collision warning, traffic sign recognition, driver attention alert system, active lane control, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, active driving assistant, park distance control, adaptive cruise control with stop and go,